Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to disable that annoying engine automatic start-stop feature on the 2022 Subaru WRX. So let's get in under the hood. Now if you look closely, you'll notice that there's a wire that leads to the bonnet catch, and that's connected to a micro switch. That micro switch checks if the bonnet is open or closed. Now that micro switch wire runs over here to this plug sitting here. Don't exactly know why they put that there, but it's convenient for what we're doing. All we need to do is basically unplug that. We can either leave that hanging or there, or put it away safely somewhere, and that will then disable the switch. So now I'll head inside to the dash to show you what happens. So now I'm inside the car. I'm going to start it up. And you'll notice auto start stop disabled. Check owner's manual. Doesn't look pretty, but at least it turns off the feature. Now that just goes away, and from there on in you'll see this orange circle with the A there and the information. That's all it'll do, but certainly better than the alternative of stopping all the time when it's not convenient.